Hello hopping pals, today I will draw Bluey with a bunny. The sketch appears slowly, while I share this springy tale. Before the fun begins, please like this video, just like Bluey pressing a fluffy button with her paw. Bluey walked gently, grass shining, she spotted a bunny, nibbling leaves. Hello bunny, Bluey smiled, would you smile too, meeting one? The bunny hopped quickly, ears twitching, it wriggled cutely, tail bouncing. Bluey clapped happily, eyes bright, would you clap too, seeing that? Bingo joined fast, heart leaping, she giggled loudly, paws waving. The bunny is sweet, she shouted, would you shout too, feeling joy? The bunny bounced higher, nose twitching, Bluey bounced too, laughing loud. Hop with me, she cheered, would you hop too, feeling fun? They all played merrily, shadows dancing, Bluey hugged softly, smile glowing. The drawing is done, Bluey beams, beside the bunny friend, happiness complete.